Hey guys, it's Steve with TNT. Just wanted to show you kind of the difference between our Custom Coverage PPF package versus a pre-cut kit and not so good of an install. So the GT3 on the left over here came to us. Our customer already bought it, and it had a full body PPF on there from the previous owner. And then we just finished up this new Porsche with a full body PPF and a custom coverage install, which means we modify the patterns and make them fit better and look better. So I just wanted to show you that. So we'll start with the GT3. So on this one, on the corners, if you get really close, try to focus. There it goes. So you can see the edge of the film right there. You can see right here it's not wrapped all the way around. It's not wrapped in there. So then we'll go over to ours, and here we modify the pattern. We'll hook these corners and get them to fit good. This is all wrapped, all tucked. Same with the back corner here, and then inside the windshield here we'll actually tuck it behind that rubber so you don't even see it. Sorry, it's having a hard time. There we go. And then we'll go to the back side here on this area. So all this stuff is all pre-cut kit. So on pre-cut kits you'll have exposed corners and edges, which it's nothing wrong with it, but if you want kind of the next level install, that's where we would make the patterns bigger. We'll tuck it in that little gap there so you don't get a dirt line over time, just like we did on this one. So this is all tucked in there on both sides, so you don't really see it. That does take quite a bit longer to do, so we do charge extra for that, but it really makes the install look really nice and just more coverage, better looking install. So just want to show you that. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.